Let's do some wedding guest outfits. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. And if you want to find out how to enter my 300,000 subscriber giveaway, make sure to stay tuned till the end. I might be filming this in 2 parts, so if my hair changes, that's why. We're gonna start with like a casual like garden party wedding guest outfit, and I want to show like how you could tweak the items in your closet to look more fancy, less fancy, whatever you need. Okay, starting very casual, I have this little 2-piece set from Shelter. This is a little bucket bag from Stout, and then I have these little vintage Steve Madden wedges on. So this is adorable. Dressed down, this could also be like honestly like grad party level of dressed up. Let me show you how to tweak it, just changing the shoes. Pointed toe heel immediately elevates the look. I really like how we've got burgundy, and this like teal color is so fun. Again, it's not super dressed up. I mean, just the base we're working with isn't the most dressed up thing ever, but I still think it's really adorable. Okay, I don't think that this outfit can get like super fancy, but let's try and take it one more step up and see if it completely flops. Okay, it's definitely a little bit more fancy. I mean, a floral pattern can only get you so far, but I think that this would still work and is, like I said, a bit more dressed up. These heels are so old. They're from Steve Madden, but they look so adorable with like a little flouncy skirt like this. And then instead of the bucket bag, I grabbed this clutch, which I think a clutch just elevates your look so much. So many different ways to wear it. Obviously, your hair and makeup can really change up an outfit as well. Those are things I lack in. You know what also makes a look horrible? A hair tie around your wrist. So we could definitely break apart this set and go from there, but I really think like a non-matching set looks way less fancy. Other pieces I'm fine breaking apart. This is already like so casual in itself. I'm not gonna do it here. Let's move on to a dress. Next thing we're working with is just a nicely fitted little black dress. I showed this in my male versus female gaze outfits video, and in that one I styled it with boots and then red tights, and somebody commented that the red tights might just be a little too like shocking or like eye grabbing for a wedding, and I agree looking at it now. So let's do it a little differently. We'll start off again a bit more casual. I also just want to do a little black dress because I know it's something more people would have in their closet. Purses truly are where I lack, but something about like a mini bag for a night out I think is so adorable. This just gives very basic like cocktail party wedding guest outfit. I think it's not offensive. You look really good. There's nothing wrong with it. This dress was my mom's. I forget the brand off the top of my head right now. I can put it in the description box. Got a little Telfar bag that I just like bunched all the long handles into, and I think it works really well. I love a top handle. And then these little knockoff Chanel's are from Caitlin Pan, and they're just very classy. Again, like super adorable, not too flashy, nothing wrong with it. I think we can like spice it up, but if you want something like not offensive, always just lotion be put together in that way. Make sure there's no deodorant stains under your armpits and you'll be good to go. Okay, I don't even know if it's worth me doing up these shoes. These are actually real Chanel, which is funny that I just showed knockoff Chanel's. These are from the Vintage Avenue. She changed her name on Instagram. Used to be the Vintage Plug. And then we added this little burgundy clutch instead. I think it makes it look a little bit more elevated, but again, I'm just like really bored by it. So let's like add accessories and fix it up. Okay, I'm adding a necklace that is pretty polarizing, but I'm a little bit extra, so I would like it. This was also my mom's necklace, so it feels just really special to put it on with this outfit. Oh, I think I'd want a black bag as well. So we're gonna reach back for my Telfar. These shoes though, I think it's cutesy. These are just Clark's. They're little kitten heels. They might be dressed down a little bit too much for adding the tights. Tights are from Wolford. They're like the best black sheer tights ever. So I think I'm gonna add my like very tall obnoxious heels. We could also just do a kitten heel. These are from Miu Miu, but they're vintage. Like, I think that looks really cute as well. I don't know, something about like this necklace makes me want to be like all out crazy high heels. So obviously, if you don't have a necklace like this or a choker, just like any statement necklace can really, statement necklace or statement earrings, if that's what you have, can really amp up a look. Like, this is so stinking adorable and it's so basic. But like I always say, basic it can be good. So don't feel like you have to come out here stunting to a wedding when you can still be stunting without doing much. So if we needed to take this outfit one step further and be fancier, I want to show you guys the little shawl that came with this dress. Shawl, is that the right word? Oh, this is from BB Moda, which I think just means fashion. This came with the dress. When my mom was giving it to me, she was like, I think it's ugly, but I honestly think it's cute. I think I would do without the choker now. I don't know if this makes sense, but this thing smells like fire. The only way I'd be able to describe it. So maybe you don't have like this exact piece in your closet, these two pieces that go together, but maybe you have something that you didn't think could be worn as like a fancy occasion. I think it really elevates the look and makes it a lot fancier, and you wouldn't have to wear it all night. It's super cute. Maybe like a crop blazer or something, a crop cardigan. Obviously it has to fit a certain, I don't know, threshold to feel fancy enough. I could do this all the way up as well. That will take me literally years. I like just one button. I think it's really cute. It's like another accessory, but a piece of clothing. All black. Can't go wrong. Okay, should we do another skirt? I feel like a skirt and fancy top is so underrated for a wedding guest outfit, and I think it's really chic. The maroon bag with it. I think that this is so chic. Is it the most dressed up thing ever? No, but I think that Hi. Okay, I'm gonna come home. I'm on my way. Okay, love you. It's 2 days later, but I'm back. I need lips on. My lips are bare. I get so many questions about my lip combo. The top really doesn't matter what you use, but this NYX lip liner in the color espresso, it's like a couple bucks. It is so good if you want like a brown berry lip. Hi, we're back. We're still filming this. I had to go home 2 days ago because my baby needed me, so now we're back. We're dressing this down from what we had on last with the tights, and I think that this is so cute. It looks like cosplaying, honestly. I've been trying to figure out my hair. It's got like texture to it now, and it never has. And like the underneath is actually curly, but like the top isn't. So I don't know. I've been trying to figure out if I can wear it curly or not. I like how it looks like with this texture up, but down I'm like not sure. I don't know if I went through the like specs of the outfit, this outfit, but this top is I think from Free People, literally like 2016. I tried to get rid of it and my mom kept it, and I'm so happy she did. And then this little polka dot skirt from Whatnot. Now we've got the Clarks on, and I think I could even like make this feel a little bit more summery, but I think that this is a really cute look. Any bag, I'd probably do my bucket burgundy bag just to like play into this like 60s housewife. This is just like such a cute outfit. I want to just like wear it day to day also. I think if I was to wear it day to day though, I'd pull the skirt low-waisted and like show a little bit of midriff, but not for like a wedding. Honestly, I think that that was dressed down enough. Let's do another dress. I keep like flip-flopping between dress and skirt. Also, I did not buy a single thing for this video. I definitely could have like gone on Revolve and bought 100 different wedding dress outfit dresses. Maybe you have these things in your closet, maybe you don't. See, like I like how it looks up when it's just like all messy. So I actually wore this dress to a wedding in October, and I think I made the mistake of wearing my hair down when this is a very, you need to wear your hair up dress. The bow can look really cute in the back, but I don't have anyone here to help me. This dress is from Stout. It was pretty expensive, but I feel like it's like my go-to wedding guest dress. Also, if you guys are looking to like buy something new, like Rent the Runway and Nuuly, those places are amazing to get wedding guest dresses. But honestly, you can outfit repeat, and I want to do a whole video about outfit repeating. Let's start with this dress, like more toned down. I think that this is absolutely adorable. I think it is really classy. You look so put together, you're comfortable. These heels are honestly amazing. Again, they're from Caitlin Pan. I have my little Telfar. This bag's so cute. I mean, this dress is so cute. I really just feel like I wore it totally wrong when I went to the wedding in October, and it like upsets me that I didn't do it justice. But yeah, this dress is pretty short though. I'm 5'7". I think this was like from a few seasons ago though, so I got it super on sale. I don't know if it's still available. Okay, super classy that way. Let's like funk it up. I'm gonna show you how I wore it. So again, maybe this isn't like a summer wedding look, but I wore this combo to a wedding in October, and I thought the plaid tights were really fun. The ceremony was outside, so honestly, wearing tights was like the best call ever. And I could have just done, you know, black tights, but I feel like the plaid is fun. It's not too like out there and vibrant like a red tight would be. And then just a plain black accessories. I think it's super cute. This isn't that crazy or different, but I just wanted to show this look with black tights and kitten heels. Like I said, I think kitten heels and tights are cute. Like, I don't care that your toes out. I know it's kind of like a fashion no-no, but I love like a socks and sandals. I love a tights sandals look. Is it my favorite? Would I wear, like, be the first to wear it? No, but I feel like if you're trying to get like different combinations out of your closet, it's an easy one to do. Okay, let's do a black maxi skirt because I feel like that's something more people have. The hard part about a skirt is having like a fancy top that's not just like a white button down. So I think that a suit vest honestly could work. It works on like the classic male outfit. So I think pairing it with a skirt, or honestly even like wearing a suit set to a wedding as a girl or whatever, can be dressy enough, and I just don't think it's as like common. I want to show pants outfits after this, so there's that too. But I think paired with a super feminine, maybe this doesn't feel really feminine, but this skirt is very dressy. It's from Lily Silk, and I'm gonna be doing a video with them I think in April, but I love their pieces so much. They feel so luxurious. I think if you want really nice staples, more dressy staples that you could wear for a lot of different dress up occasions, like a capsule wardrobe type deal, but for fancy outfits, Lily Silk is the place to go. This skirt is so freaking flattering. This is actually like navy blue, and then the skirt is black, but I always talk about how I actually like that. I think that this is adorable with the kitten heels, makes it really feminine and flirty and not so like businessy of what we're having on top. I think that this is such a classy look. Beautiful. I really like this. Bottom button isn't even buttoned. Why do I have all these wedding guest outfits and no weddings to go to? Beautiful. Like, do you guys need to see this with a different shoe and accessory? Because I don't think I would pair it with anything else. I like it with the kitten heel. I could do like a winter version of this as well, because summer is easy and more people get married in warmer months, but winter weddings I feel like can be a little bit tricky. I'm gonna move on to pants. I don't know if these are gonna work because I just don't know if the tailoring's correct on them, but I'm willing to try for you guys. Let's see if we can do it. I think we can. I think a really high pair of heels would work. Can you guys hear me? Like, it just feels like a jumpsuit, which I think people wear all the time. So it's not that weird. My one hem is undone on these Peachy Den pants. I didn't even realize that. So they look two different lengths. Okay, well, please ignore that. That looks horrible. I don't notice it because these pants are normally so long on me that they just bunch up at the bottom, and I'm constantly stepping on the back. I should have had them hemmed a long time ago, so now I'll have to do that. I think if my belly button wasn't showing, that's what I was saying when I wasn't maked up, that this would be, I think it's dressed up. It's really cute. Like, you could totally get away with this at a wedding. I love using fancy pieces in a dress down way, and my pieces that I dress down in a fancy way. So I think definitely like a super high heel would work. So cute. Okay, but that's it for this video. I wanted to say thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring. If you guys stuck around, I printed stickers for you guys. I wanted to say thank you so much for 300,000 on YouTube. Honestly, I didn't even notice we were like kind of quickly approaching that number, so I was not prepared at all to do a giveaway. I've done giveaways in the past when I hit milestones, and just like randomly, I've given away, you know, like designer bags, designer scarves, pieces of my clothes that you guys are all obsessed with. I've given away jewelry, but I always do it and there's just one winner. So I wanted to like spread the love this time. I printed 50 sticker sheets of my like little intro, and then also the little Straw Baby logo stickers. And how you can enter is on my Squarespace website. I'm going to have a place where you could buy it. It'll be listed for $0, and you guys will get that for free first 50 people, because that's all I have. And it's just as a little thank you for supporting supporting this channel and sticking around with me, you know, all the different phases of my life. It's crazy where we started and where we are now. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys more than you'll ever know. So I was able to make this little giveaway with my Squarespace website. If you guys don't know about Squarespace, let's talk about them here. Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform to stand out and succeed online. Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful website, engage with your audience, and sell anything from products to content to time, all in one place, all on your terms. Squarespace made building my online store a breeze. We sold out of our straw baby tees in under 10 minutes. And after, we were able to see what sizes sold out first, where a majority of our website visits were from, and how visitors navigated the site. With this information from our small test drop, Brandon and I are able to make the small changes to ensure our next fulfillment will be that much better. And stay tuned for our next drop and a super secret 300,000 subscriber giveaway on the site. Whether you sell physical, digital, or service products, Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. Use your insights to grow your business, learn where your site visits and sales are coming from, and analyze which channels are most effective. Improve your website and build a marketing strategy based on your top keywords or most popular products and content. Head to squarespace.com/LaineyOzark to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using my code LaineyOzark. Again, that's it for this video. I love you guys absolutely much. I'll see you in a few days. Bye.